Hey, if you think that people aren't using AI at work, I'm going to tell you all of the tools that my clients are using. Some of them are solopreneurs, some of them are business owners, others work at universities or real estate. They're all over the gambit. So I'm going to go through the different types of AI tools that are being used right now. Notion with Notion's AI specifically, and that's for work, and it's work approved. The other ones are, of course, Microsoft Copilot, Loop, which I have Microsoft, and I asked if I could get Loop to test some options out for them, and I was told no. So if you know anybody at Microsoft, please help me get Loop so I can support them. I have ADHD, and I work with clients who have ADHD or really fast and busy brains, period. And I don't say that I have one specific thing that you need, and it's mine. Instead, what I do as a coach is I help you use the tools you have, the tools you're familiar with. That could be your phone notes, that could be Loop, that could be Notion, that could be Microsoft Office, doesn't matter. And then we figure out systems that work for you to be the most productive person. Okay? Commercial over. The other tools that are used when it comes to AI, of course, ChatGPT, Claude projects. That's something that they're utilizing a lot of, and those are my baddie entrepreneurs, and I say baddie because they are. Male, female, non-binary. They're all over the spectrum. They're using Claude in lots of different ways. It's not just to create content, which is what a lot of people assume. It's AI slop content. No. They are taking their brains, which a lot of them have poor working memory, and they're putting all of their ideas, their amazing tools they have into Claude. The other thing that people are doing is they're utilizing the different types of tools of Microsoft Office, and they're figuring out how to utilize Copilot in a way that automates with the existing tools that are available. So a lot of organizations don't allow Zapier integration. That's fine. We talk about that as an option if it works for you. So if you think people are not using AI, you are absolutely fooling yourself. They're using it in ways not just to automate, not just to create content or videos or scripts. They're using it to make their workday efficient. We're talking about drafting emails. We're talking about organizing timelines for major, massive projects, buildings, communities. These are big things. So I beg you, see what tools you have access to. Learn the ones that are around you right now. See how that they can integrate into your workflow to make your workday easier. If you're not sure where to even start, I would say, what do I have access to right now? Maybe it's Google, so you have access to Gemini. That's another one that my clients use is Gemini. Maybe you have ChatGPT free subscription. Great. Did you know that those tools can send you news articles about the areas you're interested in your industry? We do that all the time. Get on AI. Learn how it could impact your industry, how you're working, and how it can make your workday easier.